Finnish Defence Minister Antti Kaikkonen authorized the defence forces to supply 6x6 armoured personnel carriers from Patria. A total of 91 equipped armoured personnel carriers will be procured for the Army. The purchase, which includes the provision of purchasing an optional additional 70 vehicles, also includes personnel and maintenance trainings in addition to the vehicles. The procurement is carried out under the Finnish-led International CAVS project, Joint Armoured Vehicle System, which also includes Latvia, Sweden and Germany. In cooperation with Patria, the countries will develop a wheeled armoured vehicle system that meets common requirements through Patria's 6x6 armoured vehicle platform and includes various vehicle versions, including the personnel carrier to be purchased. The total value of the tender is approximately €208 million excluding value-added tax, and the domestic employment impact will be approximately 180 persons. Vehicle deliveries will begin in 2023. From the Finnish perspective, the project will increase the mobility of the Army's wheeled vehicles by the 2060s. The Memorandum of Understanding between the Ministry of Defence and Patria on the order of new personnel transport vehicles was signed in 2021. According to the news of Jane's Intel, Finland will sign a contract with the state company Patria for the supply of 160 armoured vehicles. Finland is expected to order Patria's 6x6 armoured vehicles by March 2023. In this context, the Finnish Ministry of Defence and Patria signed a letter of intent for Finland's order for 160 Patria vehicles. The total cost of the orders to be placed was not disclosed.